This is Hand Vlog Service.
Hey YouTube, Mike Beckett here. So it is Wednesday the 21st of June 2017 and it is crazy windy today. And the crazy wind comes after the crazy rain. There's actually a hazardous wind warning at the moment. Basically since late last night, I'll probably start this video with a little bit of footage just outside my house. There's been a kind of, well, there's a huge rainstorm which ended about 4 p.m. today. But now there's a kind of essentially tornado warning, but no actual tornado, a kind of just really high winds. Like as we said, you get typhoons obviously here, but there's rarely actual tornadoes, and you get cyclones. But every so often you do get this sort of it suddenly becomes inexplicably very windy, and that's what it's being at the moment. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get on a bus. Now I see it.